Lenovo Z5s comes a month after the Z5 Pro slider smartphone. As a flagship smartphone brings a premium design language that includes a 2.5D glass protection on the back that meets a slim metal frame with chamfered edges. The front sees an immersive 6.3-inch FHD+, 2340x1080 display, with the droplet notch a very thin chin on the bottom. Lenovo says the Z5s offers a 92.6% screen-to-body ratio and a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The glass back sees a triple camera system placed vertically on the top left corner. There's also a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor placed near the center. The Lenovo Z5s gets a P2i coating that makes it water-resistant. Apart from a speaker grill and a Type-C port on the bottom, the Z5s also sees the presence of a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Lenovo Z5s runs on a Snapdragon 710 AIE turbo chipset. Lenovo is claiming the chipset is optimized for improved gaming experience with improved frame rate and reduced latency. The phone also offers a game turbo mode that bumps up gaming performance and graphics. The Z5s houses a 3,300 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. It ships with Suite 10 based on Android 9 Pie. One of the highlights of the Lenovo Z5s is its AI-powered triple cameras on the back. The system consists of a 16MP primary sensor with f/1.8 aperture, an 8MP secondary sensor with f/2.4 aperture and 2x optical zoom, and a 5MP sensor for depth shots. Lenovo is touting lossless image quality thanks to AI. The cameras promise to deliver great quality photos in daylight and low light scenarios. Housed in the water drop notch on the front is a 16MP selfie camera with 2.0 micron pixels.